Okay, so the painting phase is done. It's quite a change. So this is really still prep because I didn't want to build anything until the painting could be done. But it's looking great. It's come out really well, and it's like a blank canvas, like a new room all over again. So we've got most of the furniture is out. A little bit still remains. It's been broken down. These are the beds that will be against this wall over here, raised up. That'll be the next stage now. Will be to get the initial work on that going. But the painting looks amazing, and yeah, happy with it. Just a few little touch-up patches, but it's really good, and we've got curtains all down. But yeah, so it's a wonderful stage. So we've done this prep thing. I knew I had to get the decorating done before I came in and did any other work, because obviously once I start building things, it's all going to be in front of it. So anyway, so that's done. So the painting was done over 2 days. I've just cleaned up on the morning after. But yeah, we're good. And then next week, it's Saturday today, so next week I should start with the wood process, all being well.